Hey guys, welcome back to another video with the Justin Sphere. Today is day 11 of the Lego Star Wars Advent Calendar for today. And things are already falling down because I have not put any of them in bags yet. And today we are building another cool thing. And if you're wondering why you do not see the minifigure here anymore, it is because I went off camera and put it back in the slot because it seems it came out of the 14th slot. So, I'm sorry about that. I don't know how that happened. But here's the build. It is a very cool build. And remember to smash that like and subscribe button for some more awesome videos with the Justin Sphere. And make sure to check out my new video that I put out earlier this evening. That's my first subscriber special. And once again, remember to smash that like and subscribe button for some more Christmas content, Lego content, Hot Wheels content, Mario content, just a variety of content. See ya!